Everyone is struggling to grow on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, and other popular social media platforms, because all of these platforms are all competitive to grow. A lot of people are coming in, a lot of creators are creating accounts, creating pages, but there's this new social media platform that is blowing up quietly and nobody talks about it, and people are hitting over 10k followers, getting monetized, and also driving real quality traffic from this social media application to their website, to their blogs, to their apps, and getting huge downloads for their AdMob apps. So today I'm going to review this particular social media platform. All you need to do is simply watch this video down to the very end, because I'm going to simply show you how it works step by step with a brand new account. Okay, so if this type of topic interests you, I want you to hit the like button, subscribe to this very channel, and turn on the bell notification icon to stay updated on what we do here. All right, so this is Cara app, and this social media platform is quietly booming currently, and they've already generated over 500k download on Play Store. All right, but this platform is still hidden because nobody talks about it. Everybody goes ahead on this video platform and download. Once you download, you install and also create your account and start growing your audience, and nobody cares about other people that doesn't know about this social media. So that's what I'm bringing up on this particular channel, so that you guys can actually go ahead and install that as well. Okay, so if you head over to your Play Store, just search for Cara Art and Social. All right, then you install the application, or you go to your app store and install the application from here as well. Okay, and if you're on the browser section, you just go over to this very section and search for cara.app onboarding. All right, then you're going to simply register your account with your Gmail. This is a brand new account I opened for the sake of this very video, okay, so that you guys will know how to set things up, how to optimize your profile, get traffic, to get engagement, and also to get followers. Okay, so without further ado, let's get into the video right away. Once you hit on the sign up button, it's going to simply bring you to this very page which says set up your profile. Here you're going to simply upload your profile. Okay, just hit on this upload profile, and you're going to simply select a cool stuff that you can actually add to become your profile. Okay, so let's go ahead and select one of the images right here. Okay, so for instance, if I want to go with this guy right here, I have to simply open it and it will be added for me automatically. Then I'm going to add the name. Let's call him Josh. That's the name, the username. All right, so you don't have to split it. Okay, then you add your website right here. Okay, so let's say I want to add my website. I want to add padded vibes right here. Okay, so if you have a blog, this is a good opportunity for you to get more traffic. Okay, and you have to simply add your bio right here. Okay, so your bio can be anything, just tell them a little bit about yourself. Okay, once you add it here, just add your bio, tell them about yourself. Okay, so this coffee badge right here is for supporters. Okay, also for monetization. Okay, so remember, once you're creating your account, you're making it visible and people can actually subscribe to your content. It's a very good one. Okay, the website that says buy me a coffee, this is the platform right here. It's just like on Patreon, okay, where people can actually support your content if you want to use this particular feature to monetize. Okay, and I'm going to be signing up as an individual. Select individual, not business. Okay, then click on the save button. It has been saved. You can see right here, this is how your profile is going to simply look like. Okay, so on this very section, you don't have posts. You can simply go ahead and make a post. Okay, you can see the buy me coffee right here, where you have to simply click on it. When you click on it, you can simply go ahead and support this guy. That's, by the way, okay, this is your timeline and there's no post, and you can start making posts right here. Okay, so if you click on this post button, you can simply make a post, either video or image, or maybe you make a write-up. Okay, let me tell you a brief story about this very platform, how they came to be. All right, so this very platform, which is called Cara, it exploded after hundreds of creators were removed from Instagram, from Behance. You know, Behance application where freelancers share their work, share their portfolios, and all of that. Okay, so that is how this particular platform came to be, after those creators were removed from Instagram and Behance for AI copyright issues. So this particular platform, which is Cara, was launched. Okay, and many people migrated to this very application, and that was when this particular platform starts booming. All right, and people are joining and getting more engagement and getting more subscribers and followers. This particular home feed alone boosts new accounts. Okay, another thing is that there's no algorithm suppression. There are real conversion on this very platform, no bot, and you can actually monetize your content. There are a lot of opportunities that you're going to simply get on this website. Okay, so if you come over to this header section, you're going to see we have the home section, we have the blog section, and we have the job section. Okay, Under this job section, you're going to see a lot of opportunities that you can actually go ahead and apply for, and most of these jobs are on site, most of them are remote job, and most of them are hybrid jobs, right? Which means they're going to simply be paying you in foreign currency when you get employed on this very platform. Okay, if you have a job you want to post, you can post it right here. If you want to get employed, you can simply go ahead and apply for jobs, right? You can use this website to grow your audience, grow your traffic to your website blog, right? Your website should be monetized with Monetize and other ad networks so that you can actually get some traction to your Monetize account. Okay, so how do I do it? If you come over to my blog right here, these are some posts I've already made recently. You can see there's no time you come over to this video platform you don't see a new blog post. Okay, so that is consistency and dedication. All right, so most of you will post once and expect to get a lot of traffic. It doesn't work that way. You have to keep posting. You don't know the type of post that will give you massive traffic. One particular post that will blow up, just like YouTube, one particular video that will blow up can actually cover your years of struggling and all of that. Okay, so if you come over to this very section right, you're gonna see this is a new post I made. These are new posts I make, and what I do is this particular page was the only page that inspired me in creating this type of content. Okay, the same strategy is also working on Facebook. Okay, this is the post I designed this on Canva, so you can simply go ahead and design that on Canva for yourself. For instance, if you make a post, you can see the post right here is about 5 legit ways to, you can see the title of the post right here, and if you go over to my blog, you're going to see the title of the post right here. Okay, so this is for Netflix, watching Netflix 2026, and also this one right here, watching Netflix in 2026. So if you come over to this section right here, I design all of these things on Canva. So if you don't know how to design this on Canva, just let me know in the comment section. Then I'm going to simply send you some template that you can actually use on your own social media account. Okay, so that you remain unique. You can see the same post right here, same template. So if you go over to Canva, you create something like this for yourself, add some write-up like this. For instance, if you want to use this one right here, I will come here. Remember, we are trying to drive traffic to this very post. Okay, and we are making this very much possible with this new application. Okay, all you need to do is simply come here, click on the post button, select image. All right, then you can see the image right here, then open it. This is the image here. Add your write up here, then at the end you add comments as this particular link right here, this particular post right here. You copy this post and add it as the comment. Okay, even if you add it here, it doesn't really matter. Okay, so once you add that, then for the title, you select this. Okay, you copy it and paste it here. All right, then you're telling them to check the comment. Let's select category right here. Okay, select tutorial. You can select another thing right here. All right, so once you add that, the next thing you need to do right now is simply click on this post button. Remember, there's no link right here, but our image is showing. Okay, and also in that image, our blog URL is also there. You can see the post has been published. If you come back here, go to your profile, you're going to see right here, this is the post right here, and if you click on it, it's going to simply open just like this, and you can see my website URL right here, my YouTube right here. And if you want to add a comment, you can simply come here, then come back here, then add this as a comment. Okay, then full details, then you can add it just like this. You can see right here, it has been added right here, and from here now, this particular website has already given you backlink on its own. Okay, so if you click on this right now, it is redirecting you back to your own blog, right? And this is perfectly how I do it. Okay, this is perfectly how to do it. And because you are creating an engaging content with your own customized image and template, this is going to simply work out for you, right? Your first 10-15 posts will spark engagement and start giving you more traffic from this very platform without stressing it out. Okay, this is a website. You just go ahead and download it. If you don't want to use the website section right here, go ahead and download the application right now. See the reviews right here. People are saying good things about the application, and simply go to your Play Store and download it. Okay, so if you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to this very channel, and turn on the bell notification icon to stay updated on what we do here. See you in the next video.